Hey guys, Matt here again. Since last Monday, I have now lost 12.8 pounds. Today is Wednesday, March 28th, 2018, and I started this last Monday. So this is day number 10 of my Whole30 90-day Whole30 challenge. I have something that I discovered that I'm really excited about, and I think if any of you are on the fence about whether or not to do this diet, this might help push you over the edge. We discovered a recipe for a Whole30 compliant like hamburger bun, and I imagine it would work for all sorts of things: hot dog buns, hoagie rolls. It's really good. I've had almond flour. Almond flour bread before, and it's never that great, but this stuff was super soft and spongy, and it was just really good. I felt like I was eating bread. I honestly felt like I had just broken my diet. I almost felt guilty. It was delicious. So I will definitely I will leave the link to that recipe on my blog, and you can find that link in the description below. Other than that, just a real quick rundown of my day. For breakfast, I had coffee, nothing other than coffee. I did intermittent fasting throughout breakfast. For lunch, I brought a few deviled eggs and some of our homemade olive oil mayo. Now, I've noticed going to the stores, you're not going to find Whole30 mayo. At least I haven't been able to find it even at Whole Foods. So you're going to have to make the mayo. You can find the recipe for that in my blog, also in the description below. So I brought some of that, and a little bit of mustard, some paprika. I made some deviled eggs. Love deviled eggs, so that was good. And I also brought some broth and a little bit of spinach, some mushrooms, and I just heated it all up in a cup, and I ate that. I don't know if that's actually a thing, but it is now because I'm doing it. It's pretty good. So. And then for dinner, we had the buns that I mentioned. They were so good. And we had some tuna salad. So we had tuna salad sandwiches. Just put some tuna, in a bowl with a little bit of the mayo, some brown mustard. That's another one. You get mustard. Now, most of those are compliant, but just check the labels. Just make sure that there's nothing in there you're not supposed to have. So I had, we put the tuna, the mayo, the mustard, a little bit of pepper, some celery, just standard tuna salad, and some hard-boiled eggs. We threw those in there, and then just put those on the buns, and it really felt like I felt like I was cheating on this diet. I felt like I had just broken the diet, but I didn't. It was delicious. So if you're on the fence about whether or not to do this diet, maybe bread is the thing that's holding you back. Maybe you just gotta hold on to your bread. Cast the bread aside and try the recipe in the blog, because it's really good. You feel like you're eating the real thing, and you're actually eating really healthy. It's just almond flour, egg, and some psyllium seed husk, which I believe is actually what really gives it that spongy, it was perfect consistency. I felt like I was eating a hamburger bun. So anyway, that's all I have for today. I didn't give my full weight, I think, this morning. It was 217.2. So I said that I had lost 12.8 pounds, but yeah, 217.2 pounds on the scale this morning. So that's a loss of 1.2 pounds since yesterday. So I've been averaging right around 1.2 to 1.4 pounds per day. So doing really well with that. Anyway, this video is going a little longer than I had anticipated or than I intended. So I'll cut it off here. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.